traders, let's take a look on the move this morning. On the move, we got IMV up over 126%. Oh, 125. It keeps switching here. Almost 9 million traded pre-market. That's in play. EQ down 25%. Over 1,300,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. VXRT up over 8%. Over 3 million traded pre-market. That's in play. We got quite a few here we can work with. We also stream these every weekday morning alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check us out around 8 a.m. So let's get to it. EQ, we're going to short this right here. We can get in it. All right, we are short EQ. I was going to take it at 18, but I missed it. But we think it drops here at 17 still. So target's going to be 16. Stop loss will be over 18. Looks like a pump and dump here, but you never know. Could get bought up right here and shoot up. Look at the daily. It was at 250 and it went up to 32. So can easily go either way. Here it comes. All right, 16. Let's take this a little closer here. See if we can get down to 16 here. Come on. Struggling a little bit here. All right, we're coming out of this. I don't like this anymore. Let me push this up. We took out 1 cent loser. Might still drop, but it's taking too long here at 17. And the market just put in a really big fat green candle. So it's probably going to get squeezed here just because it hasn't dropped yet. But you never know. All right, we are short BA at 175.68. This green candle just got taken out pretty fast, so we're thinking it's going to take out the lows here. Target's going to be about 174.50. Stop loss will be over 176.50, about a point each way. This looked good there when it was about to get near the lows, but now it's fighting up a little bit. But we'll see. See what happens in the next candle or so. All right, here we go. Come on. Should be a lot of stops in this area, so that's what I'm looking forward to. Getting hit by all the stops. But if it doesn't, it'll be a good squeeze up too. Market's climbing. All right, we're coming out of this right here. I don't want to be in this anymore. We're out. We took a oh, and now it's gonna drop. That stinks. The triple Q's just hit yesterday's close and looked like it was gonna explode, so I was like, I better get out of this. Look, and now it's dropping. Look at that. Would have got my point right there. You know, like this trade right here, there was no reason for me to get out of it from the chart aspect of it. You know, I should have stayed in this way. I got spooked because of the triple Q's were blasting off. So when that happened, that triggered my mind to say, I better get out of this trade, and took a small loss. No big deal, but look, I would have had a nice winner there, a real nice winner, just because, you know, a lot of stop losses over here, and it would trigger them all and bring the stock down like it did. Took a, what is that, a 20-cent loser. So nvax, we're going to take this for a long. All right, let's try to jump in this right here if we can. 112 here, come on. All right, we're long at 112.01. This is a bit extended and it's a little risky, but I think it's going to take out the top here with a vengeance, just because the daily, look at the daily, look at how strong this daily looks. Stop loss will be below 111. All right, but we're going to let it breathe for a second, just because it's at a critical area where it should explode. So target's going to be, I like 113, maybe more. I think if it can take out 113, it'll explode, but we'll see. All right, we're well below our stop here. It just shot down real crazy here, but I'm not going to come out yet. We're just going to hold on a sec. It just looks like it wants to. All right, here we go. Looks like it's going to go now. Come on. Okay, it's going to test the highs here. Come on. Come on, needs to climb soon. Been in this for a little bit now. Don't want to come out before it makes its move here. Come on. All right, we're coming out of this. Let's just come out of this. Come on. All right, we're out. It's probably going to climb, but I'm not going to give it any more time here, just because it is near all-time highs, and if it hasn't climbed yet, it's probably still going to climb, but I'm not going to take the chance, because if it drops one more time below 110 area, it's going to collapse, and I don't want no part of that. Here it comes, look. But all in all, I think it'll still climb today. We took a, what is that, a 75-cent loser. Not a good morning so far. Three losers in a row. Boom, boom, boom. Check out our nvax here. Look at this thing. We got out just in time. It was just about to drop. All right, we are short EQ. Only 100 shares. Come on. All right, we're full in. We're full in at 1666. That's our second trade on it. We took a 1 cent loser on it at the open, and it ended up dropping. And now it's hanging out at the lows here. We got a lot of volume. Look at these volume bars. We got a lot of volume. So we think it's going to crack the lows here at 16. The next time it hits 16, this thing's going to drop to 15. I'm thinking. I don't see why not. And a lot of people are buying in this area here all morning, and they're putting this stop right at low a day, which is about 16. And when it goes there next time, it's going to collapse. And that's what I'm hoping on. But if it doesn't, it could squeeze too because there's a lot of volume. Target's going to be 1550. Stop loss will be 1750. Point each way. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Here we go. Come on. All right. Looks like we're heading to 16 here. Come on. Test will be 16. Once it cracks 16, it should be a nice drop. Tons of stops in that area with massive volume. So you know what happens when there's a lot of stop orders and there's a lot of volume. I might take this a little earlier just because I've been having a lousy morning. Alright, we're going to take this right here. Alright, we're out. Nice. We got back what we lost on nvax, which is good. Now, it's still probably going to drop a little bit more here, as you can see, because there was a lot of stops in the 16. But like I said, I've been having a lousy morning, so I don't want to be wrong too many times, because then it psychologically messes you up, you know? SPOT, we are short at 249.75. This looks great here for a breakdown below 249. We think this thing's been dip bought quite a bit here, thinking it's going to close a gap, and you got a ton of stops right below here, 249 area, maybe even 248. We can hold on to this thing. We could probably get multiple points, but my target's going to be, I like 248, but I'll take 248.50. I'm not greedy. And stop loss will be over 251. But this thing gapped down and rallied for a little bit, and then went all the way up to 250. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's take this right here. I'm not even gonna wait here. Come on, take that right there. Come on. All right, we're out. Oh, we're out. Nice, nice. We got a point and 20 cents. All right, we are short EQ at 1646. This is our third trade on it. We took it for a small 1 cent loser at the open, then we took it for a decent gain later on, and now it just looks like it's done. You know, it's trying to climb here, but see this big fat red candle? Someone's waiting to sell up at 17. That's what that big fat red candle's telling me. Let's take a look at this thing up close. So once it goes up there one more time, it's probably going to get sold off again. Stop loss will be over, I would say 1735 area. And target, I like it 1550 area. All right, EQ. Let's see what happens here at the crack of 16. Come on. Once it cracks, we'll probably just take it, just in case it bounces. Come on, it needs to crack. It's having a hard time here at 16. Come on. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, let's take this right here if we can. Come on. All right, I'm going to pull this up a little bit just in case. I don't want to. All right, we're out. We're out. We took, what is that, 60 cents? Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't see anything else here that looks good. Look at the market. The market is all over the place this morning. It opened and it rallied, then it dropped, and it rallied, then it dropped. Now it's just consolidating, you know, so more likely than not it's down for today, so it'll probably drop, but you never really know. But we're up 308. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 3 winners, 3 losers. Fortunately, the winners were bigger than the losers. Our biggest winner on SPOT and our biggest loser on nvax. Thanks for watching.